This will be setup of the Govee smart light bulb model H6008. Start things off, you're going to insert your light into an outlet, and then we're going to bring the application into focus and then press the plus sign in the upper corner, and then we have to find what we're looking for. So you can search for the exact model number that you want, and I would recommend that because Govee makes a lot of products. After which, simply select, and there it's saying this is the broadcasting from the light bulb back there. So I'm going to tap on that, and it's going to connect to it over Bluetooth. So we'll give that a moment, and there it's connected to Alex A. I can swipe that off. You can give your light bulb a name. There you see I'm calling it Govee Smart Light Bulb because I'm very clever, and we're going to hit done, and it's searching for Wi-Fi now. So it says I've detected this Wi-Fi network based on my phone. What is the password? After you insert your password, you can select to save it to your Govee account and then select done. You can always select skip in the upper right-hand corner if you don't want to do any of these processes. However, in my case, I want to have this accessible via my Wi-Fi so I can control it using Alex A. It was spinning and it says it's done. We're going to try done again. Once connected to Wi-Fi, you will get the option to set up third-party voice assistants. You can skip or add them right from here. Alex A on the left and Google Assistant on the right. I'm going to select Alex A, and it will walk you through the steps of adding this skill. Once done correctly, you really won't notice a difference, so you will have to hit the back button up here. And then right now, we are communicating to it over Bluetooth. And now we can finally turn down that brightness so you can see the phone a little better. But that was how to set up the Govee Smart Light Bulb H6008.